Noise creator platform app. So here you have it, videos, inspiration, tracking, Playbyte. Pretty viral app. Introducing Noise, brand new creator collaboration platform. Noise connects creators of all sizes with amazing brands looking to collaborate with fresh creative voices. Whether a social media pro or just starting out, Noise helps anyone start and grow their businesses by connecting them to amazing brands looking to collaborate. No followers, no problem with Noise. You can start your creator journey in just a few minutes. We have a dual mission. On one side, we are giving creators of all sizes the tools, inspiration, and support to grow in their careers. On the other, we're helping brands looking to tap into the creativity of UGC creators to spread the word about their products and services and reach new customers. So let's just open it up. So I created my account. By the way, feel free to use my invite code. Here is my link, OLNXE. So yeah, I can get $25 when you get 1,000 views on your post up to 4 times, and then get 5% of the earnings from every creator invite forever. So feel free to join. And then here's the idea. So you have all of these brands. When there is a new campaign, they will let you know, and you can see all of these apps, and then you can just see when there are brands available or when there is a campaign needed. And then basically you just join that and you try to create content for this brand. You can see someone created this, and it's got like 90,000 views, and you can earn some revenue. And then you can see leaderboard this week, how many people earned. So some people earned like just $1,600, $600, $300. Yeah, so people earning real money. And then you can see all time 13,000K, 13K, pretty cool. And then yeah, you can just connect your account, TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. So basically brands create their campaigns and you complete them and earn revenue. This can be posted TikTok video, and there are some milestones, and when you reach them you get paid. This app is a bit glitchy, to be honest. So for example, here your next post, you can just earn $10 easily. Just post about it and you can just earn $10 easily. So that's kind of the idea. So yeah, something like that. So try it out. That's the app. Again, feel free to use my code OLNXE, and that's just what you're getting. To withdraw your earnings, you can see available to withdraw. You need at least $50 available to request a withdrawal. There is Discord, and you can just delete your account. So that's it.